Hi, in this video I'll tell you how to export a video. So just for this demonstration I have already created a very small video of 2 frames. Now to export it you'll have to tap on this export button, second from the top. Once you tapped on it, if you have not created your login ID, then it will ask you to log in through either Facebook or Gmail. So I'll tap on Facebook. Okay, so actually I have previously already logged in using Facebook, so it did not ask me for any nickname. If you will be logging in for very first time, then it will ask you for a nickname. So choose any nickname and then you land on this page. So here you can provide a name for your movie. So here I'm providing it test movie. Okay, test movie, then accept. Okay, now here are movie tags. So movie tags are like which tag define your movie. So I'll say maybe it's funny, and you can add your own customized tags as well. So suppose I add something. Okay, I want to add a test tag. So I'll say done and then add tag. So my test tag is also there. Another option is select the language. So this is the language of video. So suppose we have created this video in English, so we can select say English and then we'll press next. Here there are two radio buttons. One is share with friends, another is save to album. And after these selections you'll have to tap on post button. Now if you have enabled share with friends, then after the export of video is completed you will be introduced to a panel where it will ask you on which medium you want to share it. You can share it on WhatsApp, Bluetooth, whichever medium your phone is providing you. And if you disable it, then that option won't appear. Second option is save to album. So if that option is enabled and you tap on post, then the exported video will be saved on your phone memory. For this demo I'll enable only save to album. So the layout on which I can share it on WhatsApp and all, that won't appear. Only my video will be exported and it will be saved in memory of my phone. So save to album is enabled and I'm going to tap post. Okay, it's asking me to access photo, media and files because it's going to save the video file in your phone. That's why it's asking, so allow it. This process might take a little bit time. If your video is longer or the quality of your resolution of phone is high, then it will take slightly longer time. So here you'll have to wait. Now it is saying that your video is saved to SD card Twincraft. Basically it's saved into internal memory and there will be a folder named Twincraft. Inside that video will be there. I'll press OK. We can go back. Now to access that video we'll have to use any other tool like file manager. So I'm going to show you how to access that. So I have this tool called file manager. So there this folder tab is there. I'll tap on there and it is my internal storage. So it's basically SD card only, internal storage in SD card. So in internal storage there will be a folder named Twincraft. Should be there. It's not there. Yeah, it's there. So inside this we have this test movie.mp4. We can play it or we can share it, whatever you want to do with it. Okay, so that's all about exporting.